today we are playing this game. Now I know I'm already playing doing automatic swipe, but if you haven't known this is automatic swipes. When you do the gold bills, when you have to press and hold the bill, then it will just like go like boom, 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 like this, but it lasted for like some time. It only lasted for a minute, and yeah, it's not really that high, but it's very, very good if you want to get lots of money while not swiping. Yeah, that's the way to not. Alright, the next thing is gold millions. See, you got unlimited gold bills for some seconds and swipe as many as you can. So let me just start and try to get as many as I can. Okay, let me just like do like this. Sorry guys, you can't see my camera. You see my hand going up down. Sorry, I have to do it like this. Take me to freedom! Right, 8% guys I have left. We are gonna do this, man. We are gonna do this. Three, two, one, boom. Alright, I got lots of gold bills for that, man. That's good. That's good, man. That's good. Alright. Anyway, back to this game. Alright. So, 200 money per swipe now, man. Nice. Nice. I'm gonna end this video here, guys. If you liked it, punch the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Also, I'm sorry this gameplay is a little short, pretty short, but I'm sorry, but my tablet is on a low percentage, so I'll see you guys in a little bit in a little bit. Goodbye.